Speaker's post. And we have proposed Elton DeCosta, seconded by Wenzy Viegas, and Carlos has also proposed and seconded by Crucial. So definitely democracy has to be vibrant. And opposition also role खूप महत्वाचा. I thank my colleague Elton DeCosta for accepting what the opposition felt की एक healthy democracy in the speakeraचा post you have to be a neutral, a custodian aspak जाय. And there has to be elections. As we said, we were the first. The opposition have filed these two nominations, and I wish him all the best.
So, position
100%. I spoke. Viresh is in Valinkini and Vijay I have spoken. He could not come today, but he has said whatever we decide, he is going to stand with us with whatever we offer. 100%. All the seven are going to. You are going to see it now on 24. So is that? Ponchi start.
As our LOP has said, one form is proposed opposition and seconded by Wenzy. With Dotran proposed Wenzy Cruzan seconded. So all our opposition members, MLAs have felt that I should fill the nomination of the Speaker's post. So with everyone's consent, I have filled it. Now I will approach the ruling side also MLAs. And I will ask for their support. Because we know what is our numbers. But when we felt that we also should file the nomination, and the Speaker has to be neutral for ruling as well as opposition. So everyone we felt that we should also file a nomination. And we will ask the support of the ruling MLAs also. So let us see now. Yeah?
Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.